Dear guys, today we'll discuss about inverse trigonometry, and this actually in the second part mathematics. We'll get in 7th chapter. Okay, dear guys, just look at the whiteboard. I have written some formula which are very essential for doing the inverse trigonometry. Okay, first one we'll get all theta, sin inverse sin theta equal to theta, cosec inverse cos theta equal to theta, cos inverse cos theta equal to theta, sec inverse sec theta equal to theta, tan inverse tan theta equal to theta, cot inverse cos theta equal to theta. All we have got theta. Okay, and second, sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 over x, cosec inverse 1 over x, cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 over x, cos inverse x equal to sec inverse 1 over x, sec x sec inverse x equal to sec inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 over x, tan inverse x equal to cot inverse 1 over x, and cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 over x. Now this is very important. Try to remember this as third section, third column, sin inverse x equal to cos inverse root 1 minus x square equal to, all are equal, tan inverse x over root 1 minus x square equal to cosec inverse 1 over x, sec inverse 1 over root 1 minus x square, cot inverse root 1 minus x square over x. Dear guys, again I say sin inverse x equal to cos inverse root 1 minus x square tan equal to tan inverse x over root 1 minus x square, sec inverse 1 over x, cosec inverse 1 over x, cosec inverse 1 over x, sec inverse 1 over root 1 minus x square. Okay, and equal to cot inverse root 1 minus x square over x. Now cosec inverse 1 over x equal to sin inverse x, cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 over x, cos inverse x equal to sec inverse 1 over x, sec inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 over x, tan inverse x equal to cot inverse 1 over x, cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 over x, and sin inverse sin theta equal to theta, cosec inverse cos theta equal to theta, cos inverse cos theta equal to theta, sec inverse sec theta equal to theta, tan inverse tan theta equal to theta, cot inverse cos theta equal to theta. All are here theta. Okay. Okay guys, for the tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy, the numerator minus, but denominator minus, numerator plus. We have to remember this. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. When we can see minus, then we will use x minus y, x minus y in the numerator, and plus sign in the denominator. Okay, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus xy. Now sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, sin inverse second bracket x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus square, root 1 minus x square. Okay, sin inverse x minus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse second bracket x root 1 minus y square minus sin, here minus sin, that's why here minus sin, all are same, y root 1 minus square. Yeah guys, this formula are very essential for doing the inverse trigonometry. Okay, that's why you have to remember this very seriously and very clearly, otherwise we can't use where we have to apply this actually. So try to remember this. Okay. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse second bracket x root 1 minus y square minus sin y root 1 minus x square cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse second bracket xy second bracket xy minus root bracket 1 minus x square bracket 1 minus y square. Okay, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, cos inverse at first xy, xy minus then minus. Okay, then minus root 1 minus x square 1 1 1 square bracket 1 1